Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we'll be making, in my opinion, the best dessert in the world, mango pancakes. So let's get started. Let's start with the batter. Whisk the eggs and sugar until combined. Add the milk and stir. In a separate bowl, sift the flour. Add a little bit of egg mixture into the flour and stir. Keep repeating this until all the egg mixture is used up. This will help prevent lumps forming in the mixture, so we can make smooth pancakes. Add oil into the mixture and stir until combined. Lastly, add 10 drops of yellow food colouring. This is optional, however it gives the pancake its classic mango orange colour. Set aside the mixture to rest for 20 minutes at room temperature. Wipe the pan with a thin layer of oil to make sure the pancake can be removed easily in one piece. Before adding the mixture, make sure the pan has been heated, so when we spread it across the pan, it will stay in place and start cooking. Now it's time to add the batter to the pan. Pour the batter into the center of the pan and immediately start moving the pan in a circular motion. If the pancake starts cooking too quickly, it will prevent it from spreading, so you want to turn the heat down. Cover with a lid to help steam for 3 minutes. Once the top of the pancake is firm, it is ready. Using a spatula, gently lift the edges of the pancake. Push it inwards in a down and up motion. Place the finished pancake on a plate and cook the rest of the batter until it is finished. Once you've made all the pancakes, cover and cool in the fridge for 30 minutes. To make the cream, whip thickened cream and icing sugar in 2 soft peaks. We don't want to overbeat, otherwise it may separate. Chill this in the fridge. Now it's time to cut the mango. Cut the sides off and remove the skin with a spoon. Slice the mango into thick sticks. Now you can place it in the freezer to firm. To assemble the pancakes, place a pancake onto the plate with the fried side facing up. Top 2 slices of mango and cover with a dollop of cream. Be sure not to add too much, as it may come out once we start to roll the pancake. To roll the pancake, fold the side closest to you over the cream and mango lengthways, then fold the 2 sides in. Roll the pancake away from you whilst tucking in the sides. And there we have it, delicious mango pancakes. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we have the final product.
Mango.
Finally time to try.
Okay.
I was gonna serve.
Oh, here you
That's
go.
alright. I just feel like I need to take care of my guests. Ready?
Yes.
Time to try?
I'll just do it with my hands.
True.
So fresh. Yeah. The cream's nice and light because you whisked it, and the mangoes really ripe and juicy. Thank you for taking over the previous 2 episodes and doing a great job.
You're welcome. We did it.